Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide your activity status on Instagram. This is a great way to enhance your privacy and control who can see when you're online. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile by selecting your picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find messages and story replies, then select it. Now, choose Show Activity Status. As you can see, this setting is enabled by default. This means that others can see when you're online, indicated by a green dot. Turn it off by tapping on the toggle switch. And that's it. Your activity status is now disabled, so others won't be able to see when you're online.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.